Good afternoon, this is Valerie Jordan.
And I'm Finn Nguyen.
Here is your WLHS Afternoon News Report. ESL tutoring is in N231 Monday through Friday from 3:15 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. The Hard Work Cafe Tutoring Center is open in the cafeteria Monday through Thursday from 3:15 to 4:30 p.m. Any senior interested in participating in this year's oratorical contest, please stop at L221 and see Mr. Wirtz. Again, any senior interested in participating in this year's oratorical contest, please stop in L221 and see Mr. Wirtz.
Alright, and the 5th annual Glass Sipper Youth Prom Dress Sale will take place this Saturday and Sunday, April 6th and 7th at the Lebanon Valley Mall. Doors open Saturday at 10 a.m. and all dresses are $10. More than 300 gorgeous dresses are for sale along with discount coupons for flowers, hair, and nail services and a chance to register for 2 free prom tickets to your school prom. Again, that's a great deal happening this weekend. Only $10 if you're looking for a prom dress.
Will you be going, Ben?
Actually, I found my prom dress, but sophomore year I attended this event and found my dress for only $10 and it was such a great deal.
All right. Attention juniors, graduation project proposals are due to Mrs. Kidron on or before April 15, 2013. If you are having trouble locating service opportunities, please see Mrs. Kidron as soon as possible. Any junior who has not received a graduation project packet should stop in the library as soon as possible to pick one up.
Alright, seniors, the class trip is coming up in less than a month. Can you believe it or what? It's time to reserve your seat on the bus if you plan to go. It's a $5 down payment, or you can pay the full $60. Friday, May 3rd is the date, so don't miss out. And lastly but not leastly, attention girls volleyball players in 9th, 10th, or 11th grade who played on the girls' junior high, JV, or varsity volleyball team last year. There's a mandatory meeting in the cafeteria this Friday during mentoring period to discuss fundraising and camps. See Coach O'Ball in L105 if you have any questions or are unable to attend. Well, that concludes your afternoon announcements. My name is Finn Nguyen.
And I'm Valerie Jordan.
Have a fabulous day.